Hello，大家好，今日 Coach Henry 同大家吹下水。before 我個 private lesson 咧，我而家休息緊。同埋就做緊啲 study 啦。頭先今日想同大家分享少少嘢嘅。呢個就希望大家可以light-hearted 咁樣去聽啦。如果唔中意嘅或者唔同意亦都冇問題嘅，即係少少嘅分享pass 俾大家。因為以往有啲咁多年咧，啲師傅啊、mentors 啊，我嗰啲好尊敬同埋好尊重嘅前輩啊、客又好、朋友又好，我都想人哋 pass 咗俾我，幫到我嘅，我都想 pass 俾人。OK，我哋以往都有喺我嘅duties 入邊咧，業務入邊咧，我哋都有幫到好多朋友仔咧成功。做佢哋嘅開始嘅教練嘅 career 嘅，發展啦，培養佢哋啦，and then eventually 佢哋繼續去成長咧，佢哋個 career 越嚟越成熟啦，咁就自己就一壇生意啦。OK，容唔容易？咁梗係難啦。但係我想同大家分享一啲嘢。Again， 唔中意唔好鬧，但係咧呢個只分享咗俾我。我想分享俾大家，希望大家中意嘅。OK，你覺得唔同意嘅亦都冇所謂。但係如果你收到嘅，亦都或者可能會 change your life，或者會可能 change 你嘅改變咗你睇嘢嘅唔同嘅角度啊。which is amazing。OK，因為係改變咗我嘅 ，right？呢個就係咩咧？就係大家對錢嘅睇法，對錢嘅睇法。and 我覺得當我聽咗我啲師傅講，或者我啲朋友講、啲前輩講咧，我咁樣去做咧，我成件事都改變咗佢睇法。OK，有啲喺我哋嘅 wonderful 地區入邊，also 其他出面嚟嘅地區咧，都有好多 amazing 嘅好成功嘅人，佢哋揾到好多錢。我成日都睇網上咧，佢哋嗰啲思維。其實個思維好緊要，點樣去short term 點諗嘢啊 ，long term 點諗嘢啊，非常重要嘅。某一樣嘢咧，我同大家分享就係呢個嗱，again 每一個人嘅睇法唔同嘅。就算我講每一樣嘢，如果你覺得唔中意嘅都可以插嘅。當然，如果你試下去唔同嘅睇法咧，真係會 bring you a lot of reward 嘅。有啲朋友仔就會話：哎呀，好貴啊！哎呀，out of budget 啊！哎呀，我冇錢啊！即係呢啲説話咧，千祈唔好講咁多，千祈唔好。除非 one situation 就係你特登去謙虛 and 即係唔好喺人哋面前曬嘅。which 我都完全係明白，你哋都明啦，right？我哋唔係去曬呢樣嘢嘅。但如果你真心去成日都同自己講：哎呀，好貴啊！哎呀，我 out budget 啊！哎呀，我冇錢啊！咁咧，呢樣嘢會好麻煩嘅，因為點解咧？你講得多咧，你會開始越嚟越相信。OK，咁唔係淨係錢嘅問題呢樣嘢，其他好多嘢 belief 咧，你成日重複咧，你都開始相信，呢樣嘢會越嚟越 become part of you。例如我個人係好正能量嘅，我會不嬲吸啲正能量嘅朋友嘅，which 係改變咗我人生啦。尤其是呢個 channel 咧，係喺 Covid 嗰陣時開始㗎啦，疫情嗰陣時開始我開始做嘅。我再重複係一個師傅係吸引力法則咧，佢叫我做嘅。佢話 Henry，you share your knowledge，OK？我就聽咗佢話，我就試下啦咁樣。佢就講，我問佢，我話，我同大家分享就係喂，如果我分享晒我啲嘢，佢學晒我啲嘢，咁唔使上堂。你哋都可能會有啲咁嘅諗法嘅，因為有好多客嘅一啲但係另一半都話：哇，有冇搞錯啊？成日都咁分享晒啲嘢，到自己咪。其實阿 Penny 師傅咧，好多謝 Penny 師傅佢among all the other 師傅嘅前輩，佢哋話其實 Henry 學唔到嘅，佢哋可能以為自己學到，其實真係 deep down 佢學唔學到咧，其實係學唔到嘅。佢學到咧，你就唔 Henry So 啦。呢個咧，我就諗起我都仲唔係好明佢講咩嘅。我就直至到去做，and 我而家就明白到嗰樣嘢啦，就係咩咧？就係其實 要學到呢樣嘢咧，係要學到個 essence 入邊個餡，唔係淨係學到個殼。好多人覺得佢自己學咗，咁佢學到，咁喺佢個 perception 入邊，喺佢個角度，佢覺得佢學咗，咁 OK。但係如果真係仔細啲去肯去有要求嘅人咧，佢會知道佢自己其實學唔到嘅。咁當然係佢自己點樣睇佢自己啦。咁當然我唔去 manage 呢樣嘢啦。OK，所以呢個非常重要嘅。So again 呢個就係嗰個 example 就係我係好正能量 and 我係好 share 個 knowledge free 嘅 channel，so that's why 我吸咗好多正能量嘅朋友。OK， 我啲客全部都同我 similar 嗰種心態嘅，好有要求嘅，你每件事有即係好有目標性嘅。But then we have fun。Now 講緊 go back to 嗰個哎呀好貴啊，哎呀我冇錢，哎呀 out of budget 咧。咁我想同大家分享就係我哋咧喺我嘅 duties 入邊咧，我哋有幫咗好多教練們佢哋開始佢哋嗰個因為佢哋點解咧？我同大家分最大見到最多咧就係佢哋對佢哋嘅而家嗰份工佢唔開心啊，好憤怒啊，好 stress 啊。Okay? 或者有啲係有個好好嘅 job，OK？、另一個 case 係佢個 job 佢係去做 part time 網球教練 ，which is really cool。我覺得我好欣賞你哋，因為我係 full time 你有個 safety net，OK？、你個 safety net 去保護你。如果你有個好嘅 boss 啊，老闆照顧你嘅 ，that's great。我冇，我哋自己照顧自己嘅。但係有啲唔開心噶嘛。咁我哋有好多次係幫到好多人，由開始 and then 之後去繼續去 invest 落去自己度，吸收 knowledge， 繼續練波，繼續練 skills， 練知識，學嘢之後咧去發展到去越嚟越識嘢啦。咁然後去成為人哋嘅師傅啦。OK， 咁有啲朋友仔就會可能喂 coach 跟你學嘢咁貴嘅 ，OK，alright 呢句嘢咧，或者我 out of budget 啊咁咧，我送句嘢俾你 ，OK， 我以前有一個好尊敬嘅，我仲每一年都希望佢翻嚟，然後 keep in touch，佢幫咗我好多。喺 COVID 嗰段時候，可能佢睇咗呢段片之後咧，佢 he knows who he is and he is amazing，very smart guy。佢同我講話 Henry 唔使錢點揾錢啊？ OK，so 英文就係有一句嘢就另一個講法就learn more to earn more，right？ 咁當然佢係一個好成功嘅投資者啦。咁佢隻眼光好勁嘅，佢會使 but then 佢知道佢揾翻嘅嘢咧更多嘅。咁 so 有啲朋友仔，如果你睇嘅嘢係哎呀好貴啊，哎呀我 up budget， 咁你其實係冇咗個機會。你其實應該睇係咩咧？你係睇 OK， 如果我 invest 喺呢樣嘢度，我投資咗，我努力去練咧，或者我努力去學咧，我係會唔會攞得翻？其實你一定攞得翻，一定攞，因為條 formula 我哋都做咗好多 track record 好多個人啊嘛。So 呢個就同大家分享，如果你俾嗰個少少嘅 beginning 嗰度 ，right 睇得到咁樣，哇你唔肯去 open the door 俾自己，咁你點會有一個機會去揾咁多咧？更多咧 ，continuously 更多咧 ，which is a shame because 你睇唔到啊。不過有好多人睇得到喎。OK， 咁例如即係個例子啫，唔一定淨係我個 case， 係好多個 case 喺唔同個行業都係。你睇到嗰樣嘢，你攞咗翻嚟之後咧，你會唔會好好令佢變 blossom 咧，即係朵花變好變大咧，變夠 colourful 咧，係 up to 你啦。咁 so 如果 OK， 當然如果你使咗呢筆錢落去 ，and 你唔後努力去練，你肯好懶嘅，你又唔俾心機嘅，咁當然 OK fine，咁冇辦法啦。如果你係懶嘅人，但係如果你積極去做呢樣嘢咧，我哋有試過好多個 case 咧係笑住嘅啦而家，即係 because I contribute 咗。佢哋嘅 success and they work。根本其實坦白講咧，你哋有好多個咧睇緊呢段片咧，都知道我講邊個噶啦。但係你哋都唔係 work 好 hard 嘅啫喎，其實已經好成功噶啦，即係成功過之前啦。OK， 但係如果你再投入去，你會再更加多嘅。So 我每一個禮拜咧，其實咧我想同大家分享咗咩咧，就有啲會個 case 最 popular case 係咩咧？佢哋會投資落個 course 入邊啊，上個 course 喺 course 入面你要學嘢噶嘛，咁好 attentive 啦學嘢 ，right？ 咁例如我哋嘅 ATPCA course 啊。咁你開始咁 everybody starts 就教 beginner 噶啦，係咪先？咁你 咁你開始嗰陣時入門啊嘛，咁開始呢樣嘢，咁 and then 就之後佢哋會覺得，咦，我唔夠嘅喎，因為要進修啊嘛。咁咧有啲會選擇去 private lesson with 我，每個禮拜見我一次 and then 會點問問題，我 coaching 遇到啲乜嘢，我而家要練啲咩波，我點樣可以 brush up 我嘅 skills？OK？呢個咧，我想同大家分享係 it's a great way to go，right？ 咁呢個係 proven 係你 regularly 去繼續去 step by step you take，and 你個 short term and the long term 會繼續去 blossom。咁而家有好多成日聽到啲説話，哎呀，我而家唔夠時間啊，或者我而家要推客啊，或者話我唔推客嘅，我每一個人都覺得好有 potential 嘅，係佢哋自己努唔努力咁解嘅啫。佢哋會而家我而家好多唔同嘅客啊，我點樣去再 add value 俾佢哋 ？Right？ 呢個 question they ask me 啊，或者我點樣做呢啲？我點樣個學生問我呢啲嘢，我點樣可以幫到佢？你係幫人。So 有啲朋友仔對嗰個money 嗰度 ，OK？ 有啲misconception，第二個睇法。例如 say for example， 之前我做過好多，其實我不停 I like to say thanks to 我爹哋媽咪 ，and 佢哋 invest 咗落我度 ，and they never look back，right？ 佢哋 and 我就個努力去做咯。I'm sure 好多唔同嘅家長都睇緊啦，就係例如可能佢哋 invest 到你自己嘅仔女度，佢有冇努力去做咧？其實肯唔肯瞓身去做咧？This is the real question. It should be the real question. 如果我哋有另一個就你跟足到 formula， 你一定得。另一個師傅講，你一定得，你跟足佢，你一定得。And you know what, man？ 我有好嗰度師傅咁同我講 ，and they were so right. They were so right. And 我好 blessed 去 meet 有啲同你講，有啲師傅我係真係要去 open the door。咁我會俾錢 because this opens the door。人哋係呢個 value， 咁我會俾咯。But I make sure 我攞到嘅嘢係更多 ，and I got it all back。So for example， 有另一樣嘢同大家分享啦，就今日我希望我講得切，因為而家係有少時間嘅。有啲嘢你係要去做獨特啦，獨特之處。咁你到咗獨特之處嘅，或者頭啖湯嘅，呢之後咧，可能咧你要 the first person right to do it，always be the first person to do it，and 你個 reward 更多。我做咗好多次，例如你做第一次，你做好多航拍啊，上次一有360啊，and 有一次我特別 mention 就想同大家分享就係點解有嗰啲又唔特別講俾大家聽，因為唔會即係我費事你哋去用咗好多時間聽嗰個 story， 我想你聽依個 story。我之前其實我寫唔係第一個人寫書嘅，我哋呢個 local region 我喺網球，我唔係第一個。但第一個人有寫咧，我知咧，我費事講佢名啦，但我好 respect， 因為佢第一個。我請咗佢食飯，我唔係買佢本書，我唔係淨係買佢本書咁簡單，我請埋佢食飯添。咁佢話咁佢話我要本書200蚊，咁我要分翻俾我 partner。我話 it's okay， 我你做我哋嘢，你哋都要。我帶咗我2個嗰陣時有2個staff member 去，哇！大家一齊去學嘢啊！哇！呢個人出咗書，我都未出。So 後尾我就出咗我第一本書啦。But then 我會攞本書去俾好多唔同嘅師傅同埋啲叻嘅朋友球員啊，我嘅尊重嘅人去 scan 本書問我話俾我聽，我問佢話俾我聽，你覺得點 ？And so far 本書有好多 testimonial 啦 ，and right now to keep going。我講 STM 嗰本，so 如果你未睇 STM 嗰本書你一定要睇，因為有試過有2個特別 mention 嘅，有好多要特別 mention 啦。But then 一個係阿 Nick， 即係 Agassi 嘅 coach， 我揾咗阿 Nick 去睇會 scan 本書。咁佢咧係900蚊美金1個鐘嘅。佢話你要 pay me to read a book。我話 yes of course。咁然後佢問我好多問題。Now through that conversation 咧，我學咗好多嘢。And 同你講 I made it all back。And again 其實故事都唔係呢個故事係搞笑就係我簽書會嗰日咧，我諗起之前去咗澳門嘅，我買咗個8000蚊，唔係嚟晒 OK， 都唔好誤會我嘅意思 OK。我係買咗啲8000蚊人民幣嘅 bonbon pen。我咁大個仔未試過做一樣嘢，我同自己講我要做一樣嘢，因為我啱啱喺第2個 project 嗰度咧，我賺咗少少錢 ，and 我要 make sure 我去做一樣嘢去學習。Now I did this because I wanted to learn something，and I did。 我買嗰支筆嘅過程中咧，嗰個人係 not just about the pen，right？ 因為你知道啦，網上就 sell me this pen，right？ 咁如果大家有睇過The Wolf of Wall Street 咧，一個好 amazing 嘅movie， if you want to know about how to sell things，but I'm telling you，sell is not the most important。第一樣嘢係 value，OK？ 咁但係如果你有 value 嘅，你肯定你有 value 幫到人嘅。Hey， you got to learn this stuff。如果你要咁樣去睇件事，咁我 wish everybody，OK？ Right now， 我而家到我而家嘅 life， 阿媽過咗身 ，and I made me realize 好多樣嘢。我要繼續去幫好多唔同嘅人啊，去睇到 what made me enjoy my life more。就係你要去繼續去做啲嘢有 meaningful， 去幫人 make people happy and make people successful。So 有啲人你 have a like 有陣時好 struggle，and 我覺得如果我 help 到佢有個 skill and make them improve their life，and 或者有啲試過好多可以隨時去個 trip 嘅，去買嘢嘅，去 do whatever they want to do。佢一個先唔使俾我，其實我見到佢話 tell me，he share the story with me，right？ Henry， 我而家去咗邊度玩啊？我去咗邊度？我帶我爹哋媽咪去邊度？我請咗邊度去食飯啊？去咗間 hotel 啊？我哇 ，that's great man， 同以前又爭好遠啊，yeah， 咁大家都好笑，你明唔明 ？But it cannot 呢樣嘢係唔會開始，唔會發生 if 你抱住個心態係，哎呀好貴啊，哎呀 out of budget 啊，哎呀我冇錢啊，你成日抱住呢啲咧，你係唔會做到任何 added value 嘅嘢，and then 之後咧你繼續去個 career 上升嗰嘅嘢，明唔明 ？So this is just my sharing，OK？ 咁I've been very blessed to have a lot of wonderful people in my life， 係幫到我 career。錢係有啲人覺得好 dirty 啊，但係錢係一個 medium，OK？ 你唔話要好多 ，but of course 好多係好好 ，but it's how you treat 嗰樣嘢去 open doors for you，and 創造機會俾你 ，and how you help people。我覺得呢個係好重要。I choose to be 呢個 industry 去做呢樣嘢 ，because I like to use my skills and help people。Yeah， I enjoy my tennis。我可以同時 keep fit。and 嗰日我 check 咗 InBody， 佢話我31歲咁樣咧。同你哋分享下，咁啊，有繼續我嘅 training。But 我覺得健康係你哋最大嘅財富啦。and 你嘅心態，如果你幫到人，你自己開心 ，it's a good thing。But you should also get your reward，OK？ 以往我要 try to wrap up 呢度。以往喺我哋個 wonderful 嘅地區入邊咧，對呢個行業咧係好多 misconception 嘅。我喺度，我係好渺小嘅啫。不過我有我嘅 belief， 我覺得有啲嘢係唔應該咁樣嘅。我覺得有心攞個心出嚟去幫人，佢係應該 deserve。唔好講佢 level 係點先。Of course 佢要繼續去進步自己啦。But 佢攞心出嚟係呢個係好 priceless 嘅。佢幫到嗰個人都 happy，and therefore 我覺得個師傅係應該攞翻佢應得嘅 reward。For those who want to get the rate that they deserve 係應得嘅 rate。Welcome 嚟 shout out and message 我。We have a course that we share with you guys. Not even a course 添啊，就算我 private lesson 我都 share 一樣嘢。Because we're here to improve 你嘅 life through 唔同嘅方法，好唔好啊？要到而家個位，我要 wrap up get ready for my private lesson 啦。咁就希望大家 enjoy 我今日嘅 sharing。講多啲你開心嘅嘢，and 你想 happen 嘅嘢。OK， 睇遠啲，唔好淨係就係個錢。因為其實你唔使錢咧，你都會使到第二啲嘢度㗎啦。and 嗰啲嘢咧唔係 asset， 唔係 invest， 使咗就唔會翻嚟。但如果你 invest 到你自己度，你一個 skill set， 你嘅嘢會翻嚟。and 如果你努力嘅 ，the thing will grow，and 你可以賺到嘅嘢，你可以 give back to 你屋企人。and that's amazing，isn't it？ I think that's great， 係咪啊？咁yeah，that's just my feeling。所以你食飯啊，帶佢去 nice 地方啊 ，spend some wonderful time 啊，我覺得係好好咯，係咪啊 ？Anyways， 多謝大家收睇啦。咁呢個今日係 I'm not here to sell anything，I'm here to just share with you guys。我覺得有人幫過我 ，and I just want to show you guys。So anything I can help you guys，let me know，好唔好 and 多謝大家以往收睇我哋嘅 channel 啦。and 如果你攞到嘢走嘅，請你哋 super thanks 我 support 翻我哋嘅 channel 或者我哋嘅球拍書whatever，but it's fine。希望你嘅時間已經好寶貴，so if you watch this and you enjoyed it，then that's all I'm after，好冇？多謝大家，我 get ready 啦，再講，拜拜。